ERNiCr-3 filler wire is a nickel-based alloy filler metal material that can weld all grades of stainless steel. It has superior mechanical properties, good weldability, excellent resistance to pitting and crevice corrosion, good ductility, and outstanding low temperature and high temperature resistance, high strength, fast welding speed and good durability. ERNiCr-3 filler wire is suitable for gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc and submerged arc welding of alloys 625, 825 and can also be used for welding piping systems and reactor components in the power generation industry, as well as high-temperature services in various other engineering applications, including petrochemical plants and furnace equipment. ERNiCr-3 filler wire can be widely used in oil and gas production, aerospace engineering, marine engineering and nuclear power systems and other fields. Fanmetal can produce various grades of nickel-based alloy filler wire. If necessary, please contact us by email.